Welcome to Whitford House, a timeless Vermont retreat set on 10 private acres. With breathtaking views of the Adirondacks, this historic estate offers charm, serenity, and potential for an income-producing bed and breakfast, inn, or wedding venue. Step inside the magnificent great room featuring original hand-hewn posts and beams. The soaring 11-foot stone hearth and Rumford Fireplace create the perfect space for gathering. The newly renovated country kitchen is a chef's dream. Locally sourced rock maple cabinetry, soapstone countertops, and a best-in-class 6-burner Wolf range set the stage for culinary excellence. A well-appointed library offers the perfect retreat with a second Rumford fireplace and stunning mountain views. The primary suite provides a private oasis featuring an adjoining mixed-use space, perfect for fitness, work, or relaxation, while oversized windows frame the mountain scenery. 3 additional ensuite bedrooms offer comfort and privacy for family or guests. A charming guest house completes the estate with a cozy sitting room, kitchenette, and spacious bedroom overlooking a private pergola-covered brick patio. Outside awaits where perennial gardens bloom from April to October. Productive vegetable and herb gardens, fruit and nut trees, and flourishing berry patches and grapevines provide nature's bounty. The 3-bay garage includes an EV charger and is equipped with an outdoor frost-free animal watering service. Just minutes from Lake Champlain, the Champlain Bridge in Crown Point, New York, this home is located just 20 minutes from Middlebury College and 15 minutes from Virgins. Whitford House offers easy access to both cultural and outdoor experiences, making an ideal full-time home or part-time retreat. Contact us today to schedule your private tour.